What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways influencers can use to monetize their brands. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. So, coming in at number 1, merch. For those of you that don't understand what that stands for, it's merchandise. Think about it. Rock bands do it. Artists do it. They make more money on merchandise than they do from the music itself. Did you know that YouTubers actually, a lot of them make a lot more money just from their merchandise sales than they do from the actual YouTube videos? So how do you do that? There's a few different ways that you can sell your merch. But what I would do in my instance is, the first thing that I would do is open a Shopify store. There's a link in the description below where you can get a 14-day free trial. And what you do is, then you go to Upwork or a service like Fiverr or 99 Designs, and you can actually go and hire a designer. You tell them exactly what you want, what you're looking for, whether it's your logo or whether it's a cool design for something that stands about the niche you're in. And then you download an app like Printful to your Shopify store. You upload the design to Printful, where you can put it on a hoodie, on a t-shirt, even on leggings, or on a coffee mug, on anything you want. And then it gets uploaded automatically to your store and people can buy it. And the best part about it is that you don't get stuck with inventory, so you don't have to order inventory up front. Printful does everything for you. Once somebody goes in there and buys it, they ship the shirt out for you, ready to go. You don't have to worry about it. The only thing you have to worry about is telling your followers, telling your fans to click that link in the description below and go visit your store. And just like that, you can have your own merch store in less than literally 15 minutes. It's just that easy and you can make a lot of money. Number 2, it's going to be sponsorships. All right. Once you build a following and you have fans, companies are going to come for you. They're going to start reaching out to you. They're going to start contacting you. Now, fair warning, at first, you're going to get a lot of shady companies contacting you. So be very careful who you partner with when it comes to sponsorships. The way they will do it is they will ask you to, let's say if you're on YouTube, they will ask you to do maybe a review video, or they will ask you to do a live commercial, in your actual video. If you have a podcast, they will have you read out an actual commercial. If you have a million followers on TikTok or Instagram, they will ask you to for product placement to place their products inside your content and maybe mention it. Now, this is a good way to make money, and there's a couple things you got to know here. Know your worth. Do the research how much you need to get paid, or the average people get paid based on the amount of followers. If you're not sure, go to a site. Fiverr has an influencer market where you can actually find influencers, and you can upload your profile, you can upload your portfolio, and then you can charge however you want. Do the research on how much people are charging depending on the amount of followers. Same with Instagram, right? And, be careful who you partner with, because remember, if you're going to do some type of product placement for your followers or your fans, make sure it's a product that you believe in or a service that you actually use. I will never, ever, ever promote anything that I don't believe in or anything that you guys wouldn't benefit from. So always, always keep that in mind and do your research on how much you should be getting paid. Number 3, this is one of my favorites, affiliate marketing. For those of you that know my channel, if you go to the links in the description, all of them are affiliate marketing links. What does that mean? That means that if somebody clicks on those links, I'm going to get a commission if they purchase that product or get that product. Okay, whether it's Amazon, on the link in the description, I'm going to have the Shopify. That's, I'm going to get a commission for that. And my top 3 books, which is .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, Traffic Secrets, all links in the description below. Those books is a must-have, and I'm not just saying that. It's because I believe in those books. I bought them twice, right? So again, only push products that you believe in, or do you know that it's going to benefit your audience. If you don't believe in it, or it hasn't helped you and it's not going to benefit your audience, do not do it. The beauty about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to deal with any of the customer service. You don't have to come up with the product, right? And all you have to do is just get a special link specially made for you and then add it to your content. And the beauty of creating content, whether it's in YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, Facebook, or whatever, is that those links are gonna live on forever with your content. So it's kind of like, this is what people refer to as passive income. This is how you build passive income. Like at first you gotta put in the work, but the longer you do it, your links are gonna live on forever for the rest of your life. And believe it or not, guys, at one point, you just wake up and there's just money on your account from people clicking on your links and actually getting those products. So this is what everybody refers to as passive income, building passive income, making money while you sleep. This is how you do it. It's a lot of work up front because you have to create that content, right? But once it's out there and it gets turned into a blog, articles, videos, a million pieces of content, you're gonna reap the benefits because you're gonna make money while you sleep. Again, you gotta make quality content and it has to be a product that you believe in. If you don't believe in it, don't do it. It's not worth it, right? You gotta look out for your followers and your fans first. They come first before anything else, right? Number 4, this is one of my favorite ones. Content creation, all right? A lot of you are leaving money on the table with this one. People like me who have a boutique agency when it comes to Facebook ads, right? Or even big agencies. When I have a brand that I'm working with and I tell them, hey, I need UGC. That stands for user-generated content. What we do is we go into all these platforms, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, and we look for content creators and influencers that match the brands that we're working with. And what we do is we look through your content, we look through your videos, through your pictures, and if we find something that we like, that we know might work with that brand, we will slip into your DMs, send you a message, and be like, hey, we would love to work with you. How much do you charge to create some content for us? And the beauty of it is that if it's somebody like me who knows what they're doing, right, or a small boutique agency, which we're more dialed in with what's going on and what's not for these brands, it's like the best part of it is like we're gonna say, hey, this is the product that we're working with. We just need a 30-second video. Here's a call to action. Do whatever you want. Because it's like going to a tattoo artist and trying to tell them what to do. They're an artist for a reason. You are an artist, believe it or not. So we're gonna tell you, it's like, do your thing. Just make sure that you don't say anything bad and you do this call to action at the end. And then on top of it, you get free stuff from these brands and you get paid for it. So the more content you get out there, the more people like me are gonna find you. There's tools out there that we use for finding influencers depending on the number of followers, all of that. The more followers you have, the more you can charge for that content. And then also all the marketplaces where you can upload your profile and create a profile for, like Shoutcard, TikTok, all that stuff. They have their own markets where you can be an influencer. There's a million of them out there. Just Google it. But content creation, man, that's a big one because it helps media buyers like myself for Facebook ads to run some awesome ads in the story placements and other placements as well. When I talk to my content creators, I tell them, it's like, hey, I need a square version and I need a 9:16 for stories, and they do it, man. And some of the people that I work with, they're just amazing at creating that content. I love working with creative people. And number 5, this is one of my favorites. It's because once you become an industry expert, whatever your field is, if you're a car mechanic or, like me, like Facebook ads, media buying, digital marketing, all that stuff, people are going to reach out to you and they're going to ask you to help them. Now, your time is valuable. And yes, I do answer questions in the comments. And yes, I do answer questions in my group, where the link is in the comments below, pinned to the top. But the truth of the matter is that people have reached out to me because they need one-on-one a marketing plan exactly for what they need for their brand, and they pay me to get on those calls with them. And some companies even fly me out to train their marketing team and how to run ads and how to do it the right way. So you can do it. I do it with some of you guys, one-on-one calls. I charge for that. I create, like I said, I train marketing departments. I train people how to run Facebook ads. I create strategies specifically for certain brands. People will reach out to you to pay you. The cool thing about that is that, you get to help people be successful at what you do already. And there's nothing better than helping someone, or whether it's a company or a single individual, to grow, to be successful at what you're already successful and watch them go from the bottom to the top. There is nothing better than that. So that's a big one right there. You can create a course as well. You can have a mastermind. You can do one-on-one consulting. There's so many different ways to do that, and you get to give back to the community. You get to help people that want to be just like you. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. This should help some of you. If you want to support the channel, please check out the links in the description below, all affiliate links, right? So it helps me too. And make sure, if you want to keep learning about Facebook ads, digital marketing in general, make sure to click one of the boxes right above me. And I will see you guys in the next video.